well, keep going. It buried it. My chair's got no legs. All right, start compressing. Oh yeah, good sound effects. Keep going. Now, lift up and compress the lid. Go! Oh yeah. Oh, the vintage lawn boy. Oh yeah, yeah. Keep going. Oh, tractor's right in the air. 14,000 pounds. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, you're doing a good job. A magnesium lawn boy. Now do the chair. Yes. Yes. Looks like your girlfriend sat on that chair. Oh yes, that was good, eh? Processing the scrap metal. Go! Oh, there goes some furniture. Oh, keep going. Lift, the tractor lifted right up. Push more. Wow, there we go. Oh, finally. Yeah. Yeah. One more. Go.